Come on, support me. Let's go. Come on. Hurry up, they're waiting. Keep going. Go.
All right. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Time for Support Minute.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to do a topic that we've talked about in the past, but it's a really good topic. So
We really like it.
yeah, if you've missed in the past, you're
In for
you're
a
in luck.
treat.
In for a treat. We're going to talk about the help, the context-sensitive help. So if you're on the page, almost anywhere you go, you're going to see this help icon.
Sometimes it won't say help. Sometimes it'll be a little bit smaller, but it's still a blue question mark.
Will you guys pull the inventory window up and to the left a bit?
Yeah.
A little more. Thank you.
Okay. It seems a little bigger than it
We
usually
undid
is.
your centering. Haha.
Yes. Okay. So if you click on the help, help
Pulls up our help window.
and it's context sensitive. So we were in the main console window and help for the main console window.
Yeah, if you're working on a report, a registry scanner, a collection, you're looking at one of the pages of the computer details window. If you hit that button, or if you hit the F1 button on your keyboard, it pulls open the help about the topic that you're looking at.
Mm-hmm. So maybe you're here trying to figure out scan profiles. If you hit F1, hit the help icon. Scan profiles help. How
There's
cool
usually
is that?
videos. There are links to KB article, knowledge base articles. Sometimes blog posts could perhaps even be in there.
If you're trying to figure out registry stuff. Registry scanner.
Oh yeah,
It's pretty cool.
yeah. Emily puts a lot of work into making sure that the documentation makes sense and is accurate
Yeah.
and is readable, and that those little buttons go places.
Yeah. When I was first learning about learning deploy inventory, these help files are very helpful. So yeah, we hope that's helpful for you too, and that is kind of what we got today.
Yeah, there's a reason that we keep repeating ourselves on that one,
Yeah.
because it's every once in a while we hear somebody, they're like, I never knew about that, and we're like, what?
You need to know about it.
How
That's
did you
kind
not
of a-
know?
Short and sweet one, huh?
Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
Back to the dungeons, you.
Okay.
off we go.